Welcome back to downtown Burlington. And you know what the great thing about downtown Burlington when it comes to eats, there's such an eclectic mix of so much deliciousness. One of them is Ray Hoon's Persian Eatery. I had to look up at the sign to make sure there was nothing after Ray Hoon.
Yeah.
Here with Mohammed. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I think a congratulations is in order because you're just celebrating 10 years.
Thank you, thank you.
That is a big achievement in the restaurant business.
It is. I never imagined to reach double digits. When you first open, you're first trying to survive the first few years, and time flies.
Yeah, right? So why did you first open it?
So we were, grew up having Persian food. There wasn't much around in this area. We wanted to teach people what Persian food was. I thought there was value in opening up in Burlington, and
what is
here
Persian
we are.
food?
So we specialize in a variety of kebabs, a variety of stews.
That's what you're seeing a lot in Persians. Kebabs are big,
Exactly.
Stews, slow roasting things,
Exactly.
Dips.
Yep, dips. To go with the food,
shareable
for sure.
stuff.
Platter style stuff
Okay.
that families can kind of gather around and share.
And I know you're extremely popular. People come from all over
Yes.
to see you
Yes,
guys
yes.
because it is authentic.
Yeah.
Past year must have been a little bit trying, right?
It's been interesting to say the least.
But you've been able to, like what you've got displayed for us here is you said teaching people about Persian food,
Yes.
teaching people how to make their own Persian
Exactly,
food.
exactly. Born out of the pandemic was, why don't we get people to, now that they're familiar with Persian food, get them to eat it at home, cook it at home, learn how to make it at home.
Look at this, so you got these
Yeah.
where you have
So we
all
have-
the steps on how to go through every single step.
Not only the sheet, but we created videos, so it's very inviting to do. So in partnership with our restaurant in Hamilton, Nana Persian Eatery, we created meal kits. Yeah.
Cool, so what are we doing today?
So we're going to learn how to, the staple of Persian food is the kubita kebab. We're going to learn how to
Do this.
Do this, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So
there's a skill to it.
we have our meat in here. What type of meat is this?
It is
Mohammed?
ground brisket. We bring in brisket, ground it ourselves, so we know exactly what's going in it.
First thing that goes in is
Pureed onions.
pureed onions, the whole thing.
Yep.
Okay, that goes in there, and then a
And then
spice.
Kubita spice mix. It's salt, pepper, some chili pepper,
All of it in there.
all of it in there.
Okay. Then we
And
get our
mix,
hands
mix,
in.
mix.
Mix,
Yep.
mix. Okay. Now you have somebody specifically dedicated to be making these kebabs.
Exactly, and he's been doing it for over 35 years. There's, like I said, there's an art to it. It's not easy to do, but we're going to give it a shot.
Okay. So we have are these called
Skewers, just metal skewers. Yeah.
Okay, metal skewers.
And
How much
you
am I grabbing here?
Grab just a handful, make it a circular ball, and the idea is to start at the very top, and you can skewer right through if you want, and then just kind of create thumbprints as you're going down.
Keeping it on there
Yes. So there's,
and spreading it out a little bit so
Exactly.
it's not.
and the water helps it not stick to your hands and stick to the
Oh,
skewer
okay.
instead.
How many skewers is he making in a night?
Oh, he's making a few hundred, several hundred, especially on weekends. So.
And then how do you cook these then?
So we cook it on a special barbecue that's kind of that gets the skewers suspended in the air, and so nothing touches the meat, which makes it hard because it's ground beef. So as the bottom heats up, it starts to drop. So if you don't skewer it properly, that's exactly what happens. So like I said, there's a skill to it.
You got that, huh? Yeah. Thanks, bud. Take two. Doing much better.
Yeah.
Well, that was kind of to prove how difficult it is.
Yeah.
But here's the great thing: the patio is open.
Yes.
You don't have to do it yourself.
Yes.
You can come see Mohammed and the whole gang here at Ray Hoon Persian Eatery in downtown Burlington
Yeah.
on Morning Live. Catching that fantastic view from the newest patio downtown, right on Lakeshore. Welcome everybody to the Porthouse Social Bar and Kitchen. Got Austin. What's up, buddy?
Good, how are you?
I'm awesome, man. We got Marion here making up some drinks for us. You want to spin one off for us there, Marion? Sure. Listen, congratulations.
Thank you.
Because when
Thank
did
you
we
very much.
officially open up, Austin?
So it was the 11th that we kind of opened up and slowly opened our doors and let few people kind of walk on in here.
Yeah.
And it's been steady from that point on.
Well, so Wednesday we're getting into, you can have a few more people on your table, okay? You got this patio overlooking that,
Wonderful
right?
patio, looking at that beautiful view, yeah.
So that must have been a big seller for you guys.
Oh, for sure. We've had such a great response from everyone that's, stopped by and showed love. And you know, a lot of people have said that, you know, they're ready to come back.
Yeah. If anybody's not familiar with you guys, they might know you from Port Credit.
Yes,
Just out of
we
curiosity.
do have one location right on Lakeshore in here, Ontario. That's what we call like the OG spot. That's the first one that we kind of had. We had that for, you know, 3-4 years, and, you know, we were able to, you know, be fortunate enough to kind of come into the opportunity where we were able to take over this spot and, you know, made some magic happen.
Making it so it's connected to Waterfront Hotel,
Yes, it
right?
is.
For getting people's bearings down straight. How would you describe? We got some delicious grub out here. How would you describe the cuisine in Costa?
Man, there's a few things I would say. Like the Porthouse is definitely like a premium casual restaurant that has a globally inspired menu. As you can see, we have a great selection of dishes right here. We have our summer watermelon salad. We have our lobster ravioli.
Doesn't that look awesome?
I mean, beautiful, beautiful selection. Right there. We have our steak frites with our truffle fries as well. And then, you know, the pièce de résistance, the creme brulee cheesecake.
All right, and so that's the kitchen side of things in the title. There's the social bar, because that's a big aspect that you guys are really
For sure. I
excited
mean,
about
I feel like we have the perfect storm here. We're a restaurant primarily most of the week, most of the day, but we have, you know, the nightlife aspect again that kind of comes into play Thursday, Friday, Saturday nights where, you know, the space does change.
Right.
You know what? It gets more into a lounge feel. The
DJ coming in.
DJ starts playing, you know, people start to get a little bit more loose. So
We're at the point now where hopefully we can get people inside too, because we're not showing off the space.
fingers
inside, but you guys
crossed,
have done a great
we're
job
very
in the space
close.
here.
Yeah.
But when you got this, why do you even need to go inside? It's the Porthouse Social Bar and Kitchen, downtown Burlington. Enjoy it. We got one more stop on Morning Live. So good to be back in downtown Burlington on a Monday morning, and nothing better on a Monday morning than a little pizza. Actually, listen, it doesn't matter what morning it is. Pizza's always delicious. And have you had Son of a Peach pizza yet? I haven't, so I'm excited to be here along with Kim. Hello, Kim.
Hi, Tim. How are you?
I'm doing awesome.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, we got Gary there working away in the pizza. Morning, Gary. Morning. What makes your pizza so great, Kim?
We're old-fashioned. So our pizza dough, for example, is a 4-day process. It's 96-hour fermented dough, and everything is made in-house. We make our sausage, our sauce, everything you can imagine but the cheese, but even our cheese is very, very special. We have a cheese license to get our virgin mozzarella. So when it comes to your plate, you're actually the third person that actually sees the cheese. So we're the second people that actually touch the virgin mozzarella. And we use really great local ingredients, and we're very seasonal.
Did you ever think you would have a pizzeria? You're coming from the world of art, and if you've ever been into Son of a Peach, anything on the walls you have designed. You've designed this T-shirt that I'm wearing
Yes,
today, right?
I did.
You did all of that.
I
so
did.
that is your world. Why
It
get
is.
into this world?
Well, it's love, right? I fell in love with a chef, and my husband isn't here today, but we created this together. His name is Bart.
Bart.
And he's an old school chef. He's actually classically trained, worked at fine dining, but he's a pizza monster. So when we started the Son of a Peach Pizzeria, I came from an idealistic place. I'm like, I've always wanted to own a restaurant. I love food, blah, blah, blah. But
Love it.
it's hard work,
Well, I
right?
know it
It's
is. Well,
very hard
especially in
work.
the past year, right? Pizza has been, you're in a market that is good for takeout, right?
Absolutely.
But you probably miss having people in here seeing everything.
I miss it so much. We reset our dining room, and just the vibe and the energy of our customers is what we miss the most. So we're super excited about
Yeah.
our patio season.
Perfect segue.
Yeah.
To the patio we go.
Awesome.
Not just any patio. Look at the setup they have here. They got their own garden. Cool.
We're trying to make it as special as possible.
Well, you just want to create some sort of, I don't know, atmosphere out here.
Absolutely, and the city of Burlington has been great. We have these sidewalk patios now, and we're just trying to do our best. And I'm all about color and astroturf and having fun because that's a reflection of who we are.
So you actually, can you have tables on that side too?
No, that's our walkway.
Walkway
so,
there, right.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
good.
it's only within our confines here.
Okay. Luke, you're a wing guy, right? I'm a wing guy. Look at those wings. Those are like crazy. What's special about these
These are
wings?
the original. We've been here around 7 years. So this is the original honey sriracha wings. And we've created this because I'm Asian, clearly. And we do a play on Asian wings, and it's gluten-free. It's made from rice flour, and we love it. It's been a staple here at the Peach for 7 years now.
I'm going in. Quick shout
And
out.
the test is how crispy it is.
Okay, you need it nice and crispy. Quick shout out. We got to go. Sunshine Donuts, also you guys.
Yes.
Been around for
Almost 5 years.
Almost
We're
5
approaching
years.
our 5-year anniversary, and you can't miss it. We're a block from Lakeshore, and there's a 30-foot donut in the air. So come on by and say hi.
Great meeting you.
Oh, great
What a-
meeting
what a
you,
spread.
Tim. Thank you so much for coming.
We got some work to do, bud. Back to her. Cheers. One last stop on our summer eats tour in downtown Burlington. We find ourselves on the patio at Pepperwoods, a very popular spot, not only for the grub, like the delicious mussels that Jordan just brought. Oh, look at the steam coming off of those, Stephen.
Oh, they're great. They're great. We do about 200 pounds of mussels a week on the weekend, and we just can't keep up with it. Some weekends we'll bring in 200 and we'll run out by Sunday afternoon at 3 o'clock. But we just get, then next week you'll bring in 250, and it's crazy the amount of mussels we go through.
Good seeing you.
So
Hey,
good seeing
How you guys doing?
Great.
Right?
We're survived the shutdown.
Amazing.
And,
the patio looks fantastic. So that's your
thank
son
you.
Jordan right
That's
there.
Jordan,
Yeah,
my son.
Hey Jordan,
And
good
my
to see you.
executive chef, Ben.
Hey Ben. Hey guys, nice to see you. Good to see you. This is a perfect spot for people watching. Okay.
Oh, it's great.
Like the
People
prime
love
spot.
to sit on this side here and watch people go by, and their friends come by and they have a little chat, socially distanced, of
Yeah.
course.
And you got the lake out there too,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So how many years have we been here?
21 years.
21
years. Yeah,
Look at
21 years, and the original Pepperwood, and then we bought a restaurant that was in the center called Java in the middle, and then we expanded into it. So
Good for you guys. Okay, so we're back up and running. I guess. So it's Monday today. Wednesday, you can kind of extend how many people can sit together. Hopefully, we're going to get back inside
Yep.
fairly soon. I know you're excited about that. What are some of the challenges that you're finding though?
well, I mean, the staffing's always an issue. It always has been an issue in this industry for a whole bunch of reasons. But it's been, it seems worse now with the CERB program, keeping people at home. I think that'll correct itself by the end of the month, middle of next month. And just the supply chain. When everybody opened up at the same time in Ontario, we ended up with just a ton of not available stuff. Like even this weekend, we were scrambling to get napkins because we don't have it. There's no napkins available.
You just think that
I mean,
is
just
a
stuff like
simple,
that.
simple
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
that does take time. Okay, you're known for your pizzas too. Pasta.
Yeah,
What's the pasta
we
here
do
that
a
Ben
lot.
made for us?
Carbonaras, that's our most popular. It flies out of the kitchen.
Does it?
The guys here are great too. The chef, he's got it down to a science. The chick goes in, and sometimes we have to tell him, slow down, the food's coming out too quick. And then we do everything from scratch here too.
Okay. A couple of cocktails. What do we got? You know any of these cocktails? Jordy, you
Okay,
know any of
Jordy?
these cocktails? I know you don't got a mic on you. Quickly
Yeah.
mention.
So these cocktails here, we've got the Very Good Paloma, the 2-ounce mojito here, and then we've got our most popular sangria on the menu, the peach sangria right there.
I specifically ordered, give me the jug, Jordy, give me the jug. And then our friends at Nickelbrook, are these beers from Nickelbrook?
These are actually brewed by Nickelbrook
Right.
for us under our license. And we've got our cream ale and our monkey brown. So John came in about a year ago, and we were having issues with our brewery inside. So he offered to do contract brewing, which means he uses our recipe, he does everything to our specs,
Right.
and it just continues. It's just not brewed on site
Okay,
anymore.
you guys want to grab a drink? Ben, grab a drink. Jordy, grab a drink. Everybody grab one. We're cheersing to, here's to a great summer, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers.
Take care.
Come visit downtown Burlington. What a great morning.
Thanks.
Cheers, guys. On Morning Live.